Okay, so our assignment was design a new use for Earth observation data or design a solution for a problem that you see using Earth observation. Here's what I'm going to tell you. What is Earth observation? What's the plastic problem? What's my solution for the plastic problem? How do we realize the solution? What are the pros? And my conclusion. Okay, so first of all, what is Earth observation? Earth observation is measurement of chemical, physical and biological aspects of the biosphere and the atmosphere. We can measure them with satellites, drones, UAVs and in situ devices. Satellites are mainly used for observation and communication purposes. Drones are used for agriculture, UAVs for monitoring and in situ for all kinds of measurements on and under the ground. Okay, so second, the plastic problem. There's a lot of plastic in the ocean and that's quite a problem because the ocean covers 72% of our world. And that's not the only problem. Plastic doesn't dissolve. And also animals might get stuck in the plastic, as you can see behind me. And eventually plastic falls apart into trillions of little pieces and end up all over the ocean. I came across a company called the Ocean Cleanup. Their design is to clean the ocean from plastic by using this. I thought that it wasn't efficient enough, so that's why I designed something new that could help in this company in cleaning up the ocean. I want to map the sea currents with radioaltimetry, scatterometry, SAR and in situ measurements. And map the plastic soup with light dispersion and the refractive index. After combining these two maps, satellite controlled boats are sent into the areas with no currents and they're going to scoop the plastic out of the water. And in the currents, this net is going to be deployed and satellite controlled boats are sent in to collect the plastic from this central point. So we don't have to sail on the currents all the time to collect the plastic. So how do we realize this idea? Mapping sea currents is already possible. We just need more measurement devices for more data because we need exact measurements about how, where and when the currents change. For mapping the plastic we need a new satellite that is able to measure light dispersion and the refractive index. Also the boat has a filter design so that no fish can swim in the filter. And the boat that has mechanic arms so it can scoop plastic in the boat and deploy the filter again. The new satellite has a light dispersion and refractive index meter, an analysis system, a communication system and a data storage system / a data transmitter. Okay, what are the pros? First, optimization. We can see where and how much plastic is in our ocean. Second, we can map the biggest polluters and let them pay for this project. Third, because there's less plastic in our ocean, there's also less plastic in our body. That's due to the food chain. The plastic that is in our ocean can be recycled. After recycling there's a lot less production needed and as a result of that there will be less plastic thrown into the ocean. We need to start this project as soon as possible. We need a new satellite to get new data so it gets clearer how bad the situation is. I really believe in this idea and I think it will help by cleaning up the ocean. Money and time are necessary to be invested, but I think that's okay for a cleaner ocean.